guys! Today I'm making a mini wardrobe and some accessories for your dolls. This video is a collaboration with fellow YouTuber Red Ted Art. She showed me how to make these adorable little origami t-shirts, and if you head over to her channel you can see how to make them. And if you've watched my most recent videos, you'll know that she also showed me how to make this adorable little origami dress. I'll link to her channel in the description section, so be sure to check her out. So just some clothing and accessories. A couple from other tutorials. These are mostly geared for Littlest Pet Shop sized dolls, but of course you can adjust accordingly to your preferred doll. And I just wanted to say that you guys leave such wonderful, thoughtful, sweet, amazing comments. I really do appreciate it. And kids, do be sure and ask your parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, the wardrobe is made from foam board. You could of course just wrap cardboard. I add a coffee stirrer. The skirt is simply thin craft foam. I punch holes. Wind a loom band through. And tie. And for the scarves, also just using thin craft foam, adding details, and a button and hole to keep it closed. Or you can use ribbon and Velcro. And clear nail polish on the edges to prevent fraying. Next up are these tiny little shoes. I didn't know if these were just absolutely ridiculous, but my 11-year-old daughter thought they were cute, so I thought I'd go for it. You guys can let me know in the comments if they're just ridiculous. But anyway, so it's thin craft foam. I glue it together, size on her little feet. I glued a cardstock. Give it plenty of time to dry, and add a little bead. And for the glasses, I found these at a craft store and thought they'd be perfect. You can add pieces of craft foam if you just want them for display, or for functionality, especially on an irregular sized doll. I glue the band all the way around. I make a purse using craft foam. A paper clip for the hanger. I add the origami dresses and shirts from Red Ted Art. The rest of my accessories. Painted sauce containers for baskets. And guys, you are good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!